Hello, Internet. So I wanted to post a video really quick just to kind of think about projects, basically. I've decided that for 2019, I'm going to take a break from teaching, and I'm going to take a break from grad school to figure out more what I want to do, but also work in software development a little bit more. So that's probably what I'll do for 2019, and then hopefully that will leave me with more free time for game development and making tutorials and stuff. Because as it is now, teaching just expands to fill up so much time that I'm just so burnt out and I need a break. So I was thinking, I like to teach, but maybe I'll go back to doing stuff that's more YouTube oriented, or make a web page that has resources that an instructor can use for their classes, the programming assignments or exercises with answers or other things like that, for classes like basic C++, data structures, discrete math 1 and 2, since that's most of what I teach, maybe introductory programming with something like Greenfoot or, I don't know, something, Python maybe. So, yeah, I was thinking of maybe in 2019 doing more educational videos, or just, kind of taking what I've learned as a teacher and then creating some sort of kind of free, open curriculum for everybody. So that's one of the thoughts. We'll also be doing game development more regularly. At the moment, the Mooseater intern meetings are paused just because a couple interns have started going to university. And so that whole transition is stressful. I've been busy and stressed, and, just November and December coming up. So I figure, everyone's going to be super busy, so we don't even meet. But in 2019, we'll start back up on game development, and whether we're finishing games that they started or working on something new, we'll see. It'll be up to them. But we'll have more game development, maybe some videos related to that. It might just be like gameplay clips of their stuff, because I'm sure some of them are shy, I don't know. It's always hard to post your work online and be like, please don't hate it. But yeah. So anyway, besides any sort of game dev vlogs and college-based curriculum for C++ and computer science topics, any other specific things? I don't know. I could redo Beginner's Guide to Game Programming, perhaps, but make it also a web page that has everything on it, and the video lessons also, and then a repository with source code, and then just something a little bit more fully featured. But yeah, I'm open to hearing ideas. It's not going to get done within the next 3 months, not until next year sometime. But if there are any topics that people want to learn about, maybe I could do research on them, or post videos about them, or make lessons about them. Because really, I think having open coursework is a great idea. I think it's something we should be striving for. And so if I'm not teaching next year for, my day job, then I think I'll work on doing more curriculum-based stuff, making curriculum, making things so people can learn. Anyone can learn as long as they have some kind of internet connection. So, yeah, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think.